Checking a patient in is easy. What happens next is the hard part. Who decides who's next? And what happens when the plan changes? So we didn't build the queue as another screen. Your team decides. The system keeps the record. Choose a doctor and their queue is right there. Booked, in clinic, completed, in one place. Reception checks a patient in and issues a token for that doctor for that day. No second queue, no second record. Real days don't run in order. Reorder, requeue, transfer, mark a no-show. And when someone can't wait, your team marks them emergency and everyone else moves down. Reception isn't the only team managing this. One board, every doctor, every active queue. And moving the clinic forward is one click. The queue doesn't stop at the staff screen. Create a display. Give the screen its code. Now patients can see the queue without ever touching your system. Show the whole clinic or one doctor's room, or your own media, while the queue updates behind it. Then reality happens. The doctor gets pulled into surgery. Put the queue on hold, and everyone waiting is told why. And here's what makes all of it possible. We didn't build a second system of truth. The appointment already knows. Booked becomes booked. Checked in becomes waiting. Started becomes serving. Ended becomes completed. One appointment timeline powering every queue in the clinic. Always know who's next.